Get ready to hit the streets of Morocco. I know I'm ready. Hello, Chef David Rose here, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef. And this week I'm hitting you up with the Omaha Steaks grilled spatchcock chicken recipe that is perfect for the family. Or if you're really hungry, all for yourself. Shh. Pack up your suitcases, grab your sunglasses, and your sunscreen, because we're hitting the coast of North Africa and the Mediterranean Sea. With my wildly flavorful Moroccan spice rub chicken with a dried cherry tabbouleh salad. For the rub, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, cinnamon, cumin, coriander, and brown sugar. Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel on both sides, then generously season with rub. Lay the chicken skin side down in a preheated Big Green Egg grill at 375 degrees indirect heat and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken skin is nice and crispy. To make tabbouleh salad, pour salted boiling water over bulgur wheat. Cover and sit for 30 minutes. After chicken skin is nice and crispy, flip the whole chicken and cook to an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Baste with a little bit of olive oil. Crispy skin. Rest chicken for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's operate. First, cut the chicken right down the middle, and then cut right through the joint of the thigh. Slice the chicken breast in half. Tabbouleh salad coming up. Cooked bulgur wheat, olive oil, lemon juice, chopped parsley, chopped cilantro, chopped mint leaves, chopped dried cherries, slivered almonds, salt and pepper, and then mix. This is some pretty rockin' Moroccan chicken. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.